Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of blockchain technology to explore something truly innovative, Avalanche, or AVAX. If you've been curious about what makes this particular cryptocurrency stand out, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Avalanche? At its core, Avalanche is a high-performance blockchain platform designed to support decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. Think of it as a super fast, incredibly scalable foundation for the next generation of the internet. What sets Avalanche apart is its unique consensus protocol, which allows for near-instant transaction finality and incredibly high throughput. This means transactions are confirmed in seconds, not minutes, and the network can handle a massive volume of activity without getting bogged down. One of the top features that makes Avalanche so compelling is its scalability. Unlike many other blockchains that struggle with congestion and high fees as they grow, Avalanche is built to scale efficiently. This is achieved through its innovative architecture, which includes multiple interconnected blockchains, each optimized for different purposes. This allows for a much more flexible and robust ecosystem. Another key aspect is its developer friendliness. Avalanche offers robust tools and support for developers looking to build decentralized applications, dApps, or even their own custom blockchains, known as subnets. This has led to a rapidly growing ecosystem of projects ranging from decentralized finance DeFi platforms to gaming and enterprise solutions. The ability to create custom subnets with specific rules and functionalities opens up a world of possibilities for tailored blockchain solutions. For those interested in getting started, the introduction to Avalanche is quite straightforward. You can acquire AVAX, its native token, through various cryptocurrency exchanges. AVAX plays a crucial role in the network, used for transaction fees, staking to secure the network, and participating in governance. Staking AVAX is a fantastic way to earn rewards while contributing to the network security and decentralization. Professionally speaking, Avalanche is attracting significant attention from developers and institutions alike due to its speed, security, and scalability. Its focus on interoperability and its ability to host a diverse range of applications make it a strong contender in the blockchain space. The platform's commitment to innovation and its growing community are strong indicators of its long-term potential. In essence, Avalanche matters because it's addressing some of the biggest challenges facing blockchain technology today: speed, scalability, and usability. It's building a more efficient and accessible future for decentralized technologies. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about Avalanche. I hope this has given you a clear picture of what it is and why it's generating so much excitement. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more tech insights.